First of all, thank you Governor Das for giving us yet another term for our competitive exams, that is SDF, Standing Deposit Facility. Hello and welcome to Knowledgeist. I am Prabhanjan Tripathi and I am here to decode SDF and how it is different than LAF and MSF. Before that, in case you are new to the platform, do subscribe, join a valid course from the links in description. Liquidity adjustment is one of the important tools in the hands of Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee. And Reserve Bank of India manages liquidity adjustment or adjusts the liquidity through LAF, that is Liquidity Adjustment Facility. And they do it through two tools, that is repo rate and reverse repo rate. Repo rate is the rate in which commercial banks borrow money from Reserve Bank of India, and reverse repo is the rate in which commercial banks deposit their excess cash in Reserve Bank of India in exchange of government securities. Both in repo and reverse repo, the government securities are involved. It is being exchanged. And SDF is nothing but it is completely similar to SDF. Only thing what is different than LAF is there is no exchange of government securities in SDF. SDF is the standing deposit facility through which now all commercial banks can park their excess cash in Reserve Bank of India, and in return they will get no government securities, unlike reverse repo rate, where in exchange of the excess cash deposit, banks take government securities from Reserve Bank of India. As per the current prevailing rate, reverse repo rate is 3.35%, where the SDF will give a return to the banks at 3.75%. Some other key highlights of SDF. It will always be 25 basis point lower than the repo rate. If repo rate is 4%, then the SDF rate will always be 3.75%, whereas the MSF will be 0.25% higher, and reverse repo rate is 65 paisa lower than the repo rate. And SDF and MSF will always be open in bank's discretion. That means anytime bank wants to park its excess cash in Reserve Bank of India, they can do through SDF, or at any time they need extra cash. When the interbank liquidity dries up, they can go to RBI and take MSF, marginal standing facility. So it is available at bank's discretion or bank's will, whereas the CRR and open market operations are available at Reserve Bank of India's discretion. Both MSF and SDF will be available all day a week, and the new timing is 17:30 to 23:59. That means from 5:30 to midnight. So before I quit, I have a question to ask. Under which committee's recommendation the LAF, Liquidity Adjustment Facility, is introduced in India? Give your answers in comment section, and we will reply the right answer to you in that section. So thank you once again for joining us. Let me remind you, if you have not subscribed, do subscribe, join a course, visit our website or application. Thank you.